Guys, I'm in a Tesla Cybertruck. There's something
Oh, sorry. Here, you can pull this. There you go. Yeah, but it's raining. Okay. This is a cooler. It's got a drain hole in it, so you can actually put ice in there. I think I'm gonna get some ice. Rolls all the way up. And then you got these tie downs for all your luggage. See, I got it strapped down my luggage so it doesn't roll around in there when I step on the gas. You want it for like 2 seconds. 1, 2, okay, let go. Oh, go ahead. Yeah, you held it a little long. Like 1,000, 2,000 to go. Oh, 1, 2, there. And then this is pretty easy to close. You want to try it? Watch your fingers. There you go. And then it's got a camera here.
I want to try to close.
I gotta try to figure out how I'm gonna charge this thing.